Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking the host and why that matters. A NAS conserves power, a PC gives flexibility, a Raspberry Pi is low cost. Install a Dlna server application and point it at your media folders so the server can index files. Once done, assign a static IP or DHCP reservation on your router to avoid changing addresses, and make sure the host has a consistent name on the network so clients can locate it reliably. You now configure libraries and explain why organization speeds access. Separate video, audio, and photos so clients filter quickly. Adjust transcoding. Limit CPU use, set quality targets, and choose a temp folder on fast storage to prevent stalls. Once media is indexed, enable DLNA or UPnP broadcasts. Make sure the server advertises on the correct network interface. Also review file system permissions so the server process can. You finish by connecting clients. Use built-in discovery on TVs and media players or enter the server IP manually. Play several file types to verify direct play versus transcoding, and if playback stutters, lower bitrate or enable hardware accelerated transcoding on the server. If clients cannot see the server, check the host firewall, ensure multicast is allowed, and disable AP/client isolation on Wi-Fi. Finally, consult server logs to pinpoint permission errors or codec failures, and iterate until stable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.